Write down Euler's dynamical equation of motion, no derivation, of a rigid body about a fixed point under the action of a torque. Show that the kinetic energy of the torque-free motion is constant. This question appears in IS 2019. It is a 10 marks question. Now let's try to solve it. Now Euler's equation. Are tau 1 is equal to I1 omega 1 dot plus I3 minus I2 omega 2 omega 3. Now I2 is tau 2 is equal to I2 omega 2 dot plus I1 minus I3 omega 3 omega 1. Tau 3 is equal to I3 omega 3 dot plus I2 minus I1 omega 1 omega 2. These three equation or this set of three equations is known as Euler's equation. Here I1, I2, I3, I1, I2 and I3 are principal moment of inertia. And W is equal to W1I plus W2J plus W3K is the angular velocity with components W1, W2 and W3 along the principal axis. This is the first part of the question. Now the second part say in torque free system. So in torque free means tau 1 is equal to tau 2 is equal to tau 3 is equal to 0. Motion Euler's equation reduced to I1 omega 1 dot is equal to I2 minus I3 omega 2 omega 3. So this is the first equation. Now I2 omega 2 dot is equal to I3 minus I1 omega 3 omega 1. This is second equation. And I3 omega 3 dot is equal to I1 minus I2 omega 1 omega 2. This is third equation. Now multiplying equation 1 by omega 1, multiplying equation 1 by omega 1, 1 by omega 1, 2 by omega 2, equation 2 by omega 2, and equation 3 by omega 3, we get I1 omega 1 dot, I1 omega 1 dot plus I2 omega 2 dot plus I3 omega 3 dot is equal to I2 minus I3 plus I3 minus I1 plus I1 minus I2 into omega 1 omega 2 omega 3. हमें बेटा यहाँ पे पहले इक्वेशन 1 को ओमेगा 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, इक्वेशन 2 को ओमेगा 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया और इक्वेशन 3 को ओमेगा 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. We have to multiply equation 1 by omega 1, equation 2 by omega 2 and equation 3 by omega 3, and then we simply add them. So we get this result and add. Now the right hand side is 0. I2 cancel with I2, I3 cancel with I3, I1 cancel with I3, 1. So this is equal to 0, right hand side is equal to 0. So that implies d of dt of half I1 omega 1 square plus I2 omega 2 square plus half I3 omega 3 square is equal to 0. Now if a differentiation of some function is 0, it means that function must be constant. So that implies that half I1 omega 1 square plus half I2 omega 2 square plus half I3 omega 3 square is equal to 0. This quantity is equal to constant. In this, the left hand side represents the kinetic energy of the system. Hence, prove that kinetic energy in torque free system is constant. Thank you.